Yeah. This will be one of your favorite dishes. Hello everyone, this is Mr. Miller. Hello everyone, this is Mr. Miller. Guys, I have two big news for you. First, I made an Instagram account. Finally! So you can follow me and see the behind the scenes and updates and other information. Second, I have a website. As you know, I'm a certified Korean language teacher. So if you want to learn Korean language properly, go and check it out for available courses. What's more, all courses are 10% discount at the moment. And by following simple steps, you can get 30% discount. Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to make super simple but delicious food which remind me of my childhood. I'm sure lots of Korean people feel the same as me.
Yeah.
So you should try it. It's called 간장밥.
버터. 뭐야 이거? 오. 어때?
냄새나.
너무 맛있다.
It's very simple. What you need is rice, soy sauce, butter, sesame oil. That's it. I'm gonna use pre-cooked rice, so I need to heat it up. I'll show you how to do it. Did you see? It's hot now. Now you need to mix rice with the butter. Butter with the rice? Trust me, this will be one of your favorite dishes. A bit of butter. Put in the rice. And actually at the same time you can put the soy sauce. Soy sauce. 1 spoon of soy sauce. If you put too much soy sauce, it will be really salty, so don't put too much. A little bit. And mix all together. Oh, smells nice. Don't forget to use sesame oil. The sesame oil, just 1 spoon. If you have sesame seed, then you can add, but that's optional. Ta-da! That's it. Very simple, isn't it? Let me try. Wow, it does really remind me of my childhood. I'm guessing now, long time ago people have no food to eat, so people can easily and quickly make 간장밥. Try it and let me know in comments if you liked it. I will see you next time. Oh wait, don't forget to check out my Insta and website. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye bye. What rice? Just one of your favorite dishes. Okay, so yeah.